Hello students, welcome to your science class. Today we will discuss the objective type question answers of your chapter 4. Open your book, page number 39. Open your book, page number 39. Let us discuss the multiple choice question first. The first question is, which parasite lives on the host body? Options are tapeworm, roundworm, hookworm, and lice. So since it's asked which parasite lives on the host body, so it will be lice. Other parasites, they live inside the host body. So the correct answer will be lice. The second question is, which of the following feeds on the flesh of dead animals? Now, so options are scavengers, amphibian, herbivore, and omnivore. So herbivore eats herbs or plants, omnivore eats both flesh and plants, and amphibian lives on land. But scavengers like vulture and eagle, they eat the flesh of dead animals. So your answer will be scavenger. Which of the following animals can trick its enemies by camouflaging? Now what's the meaning of camouflaging? Camouflaging means by changing its color to the color of the environment in which the animal lives. So your options are elephant, giraffe, chameleon, and deer. So your answer, everybody knows, that is chameleon. Now the fourth question is, which one of the following is a terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial means land. So you have to write down the terrestrial habitat: pond, river, sea, or desert. So your answer will be desert. All are aquatic habitats. Only desert is a terrestrial habitat. So your answer will be desert. Now the fifth option is, which of the following is an arboreal animal? So what do you mean by arboreal animal? Arboreal animal means animal that live on trees, neither on land, neither in water, on trees above the land. So they are called arboreal animals. So the options are dog, cat, fish, or monkey. So answer will be monkey. Now the next option is, write one word for the following. So the natural home of an animal. So what will be the natural home of the animal? Its habitat. That's clear. The natural home of an animal will be its habitat. Now the second question is, long summer sleep. So it is estivation. I repeat, it is estivation. Okay, when the animals in very hot desert or hot places, they go for a long summer sleep. Okay, in summer when they go for a long sleep, it is called estivation. Next one is long winter sleep. So in very cold regions also, animals, to escape from cold, they go for a long sleep like polar bear does. And what is it called? It is called hibernation. It's called hibernation. Once again, you see, long winter sleep is hibernation. Animals that live on land. The animal that lives on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Ability of animals to change their body color. So some animals can change the color of their body to hide in the environment, in the trees. So this ability is called camouflaging. It is called camouflaging. The ability of animals to change their body color is called camouflaging. The next option is, now the next question is, give two examples of the following. You have to give two examples. So animal that undergo hibernation. So you have to give two animals that go under hibernation. One is polar bear, another is frog. So they go under hibernation, polar bear and frog. Next one is arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are the animals that live on trees. Okay. So the example of arboreal animals are monkey and koala bear. The example of arboreal animals are monkey and koala bear. Next one is scavengers. So what are scavengers? Scavengers are the animals that live on the dead body of another animals, So the example will be eagle and vulture. What will the example? The example will be eagle and vulture. Next one is parasite. So who are parasites? Parasites are the animals that live on the body, inside or outside of the body of other animals. So they are called as parasites. So what are parasites? So they just feed on the blood or whatever food and other requirement they need on the host, and they do not do any benefit to the host. Simply they will suck the blood, or they will take advantage of the host body. Okay, so example of parasites are hookworm and lice. So example of parasites are hookworm and lice. Now next one is animals that may soon no longer exist. Now children, you know, due to overcutting of forests, many animals, they lose their habitat, their natural environment in which they live. So what is happening? They are on the verge of extinction. Extinction means now that those animals will no longer be able to be alive. Okay, so such animals are tiger and giant panda. Okay, tiger and giant panda. Now children, what you have to do, you have to write this thing in your book itself. No need of writing in your copy. You can write this in your book itself, but what you have to do is you have to remember it by heart. You have to learn this by heart. Okay. And I will send this one in your WhatsApp group also. Please write down properly in your book itself and remember it by heart. Okay, these are important questions also for your exams also. This chapter is coming, so you have to learn it all by heart. Everything is important. Okay, so please learn them everything by heart. Okay, thank you children.